The Alpine AFG Fluidized bed opposed jet mill is suitable for ultra-fine size reduction of many materials. Compressed gas is accelerated through a series of nozzles at extremely high velocities. Particles are drawn into the gas streams and are ground via interparticle collisions. The AFG is equipped with a dynamic deflector-wheel air classifier that can be operated at varying speeds to alter product fineness. This specific model is equipped with aluminum oxide ceramic tiles as wear protection for abrasive materials. This improves the longevity of the mill and the purity of the product. For more information, visit our website or call the number on the screen.